Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I want to give y'all an update on my experiences with the Nothing Phone 4a Pro. I've been having it for about a week now, and I just want to discuss it and give y'all an update about it. I am really enjoying the phone so far. Are the cameras the best? I don't believe that they are the best, especially in low light. I'm working on a camera test or camera review that is coming soon. But overall, my experience with this phone has been great. I like the feel of it. I like the look. I like the operating system. The Nothing OS on here has been good. The display it gets bright. It looks great watching YouTube. And also like Netflix on here. It really works. It's a smooth display too. No problems with the display at all. Now, if you're into AI, it doesn't have all the AI features like you would normally get with a Samsung phone, which is, for me, that's a good thing. I love the build of it. It's simple. It has a SIM card slot, so if you have a physical SIM card, you can put it in there too. Battery life. I've been getting a day and a half. The battery life could be a little bit better. It's still trying to learn, my ways and everything else. But battery life could definitely be better. But when you look for a alternative phone besides, say, the Galaxy S26 Ultra, then Nothing has a good option for you. And I mean, I paid $499 for this variant, which is, compared to the $1299 from the S26 Ultra. The glyph interface, you have so many different options. You can download different ones. Like I have a different tune or tone for each of my kids. So like if I go in here, so I know that's my daughter calling me. But you can pick different ones if you wanted to. You could download different ones. There's so many different options that you can do on here to like flip to glyph. I might even make a ringtone, or a video ringtone. I might make a video on just the glyph interface and how you can use it on every day too. If I use Uber or anything, you can track your Uber progress, calendar progress too of upcoming things. You can turn it off at nighttime. So the glyph interface is pretty cool. Definitely something, you can like and get used to. But there's so many like widgets you can get into. So many, there's so many things in here. The video could be like 30 minutes just on the customization that you can do with this phone. You could download different icon packs here from Nothing. Change it up. I know you can do that with other phones too, but just the design of these icon packs are pretty cool too. And then you can use AI for wallpapers, or you have different wallpapers you can set up. And then just the refresh rate on here, watching like going on Twitter, it runs smooth for a $499 phone. Shout out to Blue, go Blue. Elliot Cadeau coming back to Michigan. I know people's gonna hate that, but overall, I'm enjoying the phone. The speakers get pretty loud. The overall feel is pretty good on here. Now, you're missing certain things. It's not like IP68 water resistant. You don't have wireless charging. The charging speed seemed pretty good. I can charge it pretty quick in like an hour and a half. But overall, I do enjoy. The thing has an always-on display, which you can change. Now, when you talk about the cameras, let's be honest, that is probably where it's going to slack the most. Even the Snapdragon processor does pretty good with gaming and everything else too, which I will make another video on that. But overall, I am enjoying it. I know a couple people did pick up this phone. Y'all let me know if you did, if you're enjoying it yourself. What y'all think about the back. Plus, it comes with a case too. That's one thing. The cases are very slim. There's not many case manufacturers that are making cases for it. So if you want to complain about something, I guess you could complain about that. The haptic feedback is good. Vibrations are really good on here. The apps open pretty quick, like Telegram, TikTok.
When you're indoor,
so, I mean, they all open up pretty quick for you. No hesitation there. It actually pairs well with my Samsung Watch too. Now, you can't get all the watch features as far as the Samsung Health goes, but it does pair pretty nicely with it. No problems there either. So overall, yes, I'm enjoying my experience with the Nothing Phone 4a Pro, whatever you want to call this bad boy. And I just like how you can customize this so much. Let me get into customization real quick. All right, so what I mean for customization, for the widgets, you can do, like, I can play mini golf on here. It tells you how many, like how much days are left in the month, year, the percentages and everything too. Like, let's see. Put this bad boy over here. So if I wanted to, I can see we have, what, 27% left in 2026. 30% in April left. 42% of the day is done, I guess. Or 42% of something is done. So it tells you like how much you have left. It's goofy things like that. But you can go to your widgets. And if you swipe over, you can explore more. And this is just beta apps. And people are, like, you can play high card games on there. Looks like tic-tac-toe. So there's many different things you can do on here too and download. So customization is really good. I love it. Y'all let me know what other videos you want to see. Again, if you picked it up, let me know. We can definitely have a friendly discussion. I wish Nothing keeps on making phones. We need different options in the USA when it comes to phones. People get tired of Samsung and Apple and even Google One. OnePlus looks like they're out the door maybe. So we need other phones in the US that people can pick up. But y'all let me know. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Nothing Phone 4a Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Ford's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.